Okay, algebra. First we got to review some skills. The first skill we're going to review is putting decimals in order. So this shouldn't take long. This is easy. When you are seeing which decimal number is bigger than another decimal number or smaller, or putting them in order, the important thing is to make them all the same length past the decimal. Notice this has two numbers past the decimal. So change this to 6.1, add a 0. That doesn't change the value of the number. But when I look at this, then I can go, oh, that's smaller than this. I have no trouble seeing that. I can even pretend there's no decimal point to see that. So this number is less than. That's the answer. What about this one? 8.312 and 8.7. I need to make them the same length on the decimal side. So since this has 3, this needs to have 3. So 8.700 doesn't change the value of the number, makes them the same length, and all of a sudden I can go, oh, that one's bigger. 8700 is much bigger than 8312. Just sort of ignore the decimal. So that goes that way also. Then sometimes they give you a big list of them and they want you to put them in order. So to put them in order, first they need to all be the same length on the decimal side. So the biggest one I see that has the biggest length, I should say, is this one. It's got 3 past the decimal. So let's fix the others. 2.100. Now that has 3. 2.750. Now that has 3. 2.260. That's got 3. 2.150. That's got 3. And write this one down because it already had 3, just like it was. Now, ignore the decimal and put it in order. If the directions said to put this in order from smaller to greater, which one is the smallest? This one. So 2.100. What's next? I like to cross them out, then I know I used it up. Next one is 2.150. Cross it out. What's next? 2.260. Okay, what's next? 2.398. And what's next? 2.750. After you get them done, or while you're doing that, it's okay to get rid of the extra zeros you added. You can get rid of them, or you can leave them. It's right either way. So if you prefer to get rid of them, wonderful. Look how easy that was. All right, you guys are going to be great at algebra. Now, here's 3 more problems. It's time for you to try. Remember, you want the side of the decimal to be the same length, so add zeros. Do the top 2 with greater than or less than signs. Do the bottom ones by putting them in order from smallest to largest. When you get all done, then turn the video back on. Go ahead and pause it. Turn it back on, and then you can see if you got the answers right. Okay, how'd you do? Remember, you have to make them the same length on the side of the decimal, so it's easy for you to figure out which is bigger. Great job. I bet you got them all right. Now, here comes the fun part. The video homework. This is what you're going to bring to class with you tomorrow to turn in. So start out by putting your name in the left top hand side of the paper. Put the date on the right hand side of the paper at the top. On the title line, which is the main line of the paper, please write video homework, ordering decimals. And then I wrote a beautiful message for you that says you must show all work. Your work won't be accepted if you didn't show work. You have to show all the work you need to. So, on this lesson, I would probably show work by adding the zeros that I need to extend the numbers to make them all the same length. And then I would put them in order, or put my greater than, less than, or equal sign. 1 through 3, you're going to put greater than, less than, or equals. Number 5, you're going to put it in order from least to greatest. Remember to bring your video homework to school tomorrow. Super important. Make sure it's all complete and your work is shown. Have a beautiful, lovely evening. Bye-bye.